When a baby is born prematurely or needs special medical care, breastfeeding can sometimes be delayed. In these situations, breast pumping becomes extremely important. Pumping allows mothers to begin producing milk even when their baby cannot feed directly from the breast. Breast milk is especially valuable for premature babies because it contains antibodies, nutrients, and protective factors that support growth and development. To build a strong supply, mothers are often encouraged to pump every 2 to 3 hours, including during the night. Gentle breast massage before and during pumping can help increase milk flow. Each small amount of milk collected can make a meaningful difference for a baby's health. Breast pumping becomes a bridge that connects mothers and babies during challenging moments. With patience and dedication, pumping helps support the baby's strength and recovery.